Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is Mr. Jovinal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox items that I bought in the United States when I was there on vacation last June of last year. And it's only now that I remember all these items that I bought then when I was having a visit in Los Angeles, California. I bought these items from JCPenney, and the store is located at the Glendale Galleria Mall in Glendale, California. So I'm going to bring out, actually I bought these two Levi's, and they are shrink to fit. This is the first one that I bought. It is shrink to fit, and this is dark indigo, and I adjusted my sizing to 32 inches because I'm expecting some shrinkage on the waist. As you know, my waist have increased from 30 to 31 because I've been gaining weight for the past 2 years. So this is a dark indigo shrink to fit, and the inseam is 30 inches, and I expect that there will be some shrinkage of about 1 inch on the inseam to make it size 29 inseam. And I expect this jeans, once I have it soaked in hot water, for the size of 31 for the waist. So this is the dark indigo 501 shrink to fit. The other one is their latest fabric, which is colored green or olive. I don't know if the camera will be able to catch the true color of these jeans. And just the same, this is size 32 on the waist and size 30 on the inseam. It is 501, and you have a very nice stitching, which is white, which is very nice contrast with the green or olive color of the denim. On our next video, I will try to have it soaked in hot water, and we will see how the shrink to fit denims will be able to, have the right size dimensions on the waist and on the inseam. And we will see if there will be tightness on the hip and the thigh area to include the knees and the opening of the hem. So we have these two latest shrink to fit. It was in, I think, 2021 when I had my first shrink to fit, or maybe as early as 2019. So this will be my two next shrink to fit denims. This we will try to use and abuse for the next coming years. So the next video will be, we'll try to soak it in hot water, and we will see how this shrink to fit jeans from Levi's 501 jeans will settle for the correct size. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.